Good morning, everybody. Got a new trailer in from Rampant Trailers out of, I believe, South Carolina. So this thing just come in. We got all our chains set up for it. Got our box set up. Got some extra D-rings on here. Every 1.5 foot somewhere around there. Got our box set up. Got our chain binders. We're running the short chains. We don't have to do the 8-footer chains. We'll hook up and we're going to go test it out today. We're going to go pick up the Traco, bring it in for service and a wash job because we're getting off of that sludge job. We'll get everything cleaned up, serviced up, and then we'll bring it back to the job. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright, so we'll run to the back, pick up the Traco. Barrett, buddy of mine. Hey Barrett. Morning. Who's that fella back there? Clyde Kello. Alright, we'll go to the back and get it, walk the Traco up this way. And then well, I got a soft spot right by that, to the left of that tree. See where I flicked it up a little bit. And then we'll show you the pond here in just a minute. Cheers to her. How many of you guys get your wife to wash the slab off after you wash the Traco? Spin this thing around. Got it all clean. All I gotta do is clean the inside, change the oil, and tighten up the tracks. Let's get some lights for her. Wouldn't want your wife working in the dark. Oh yeah, isn't that perfect? She see what you're doing. All right, we got everything cleaned up. Barrett and I are gonna run tomorrow. Caterpillar, get some filters for this thing, and we got a bad storm coming in tomorrow, so we'll get all our supplies ready to go, and then I'll change oil in a couple days. Running 565 hours on this machine now, so I'm past, a little bit past my 500 mark. But anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Let's see. I'll go up and talk to her maybe. Hi. It's a good job. Beautiful job. Be nice to get some LEDs on here later on, huh? We're gonna make a little more money. Got all the Christmas lights up. Pressure washing. Can't beat it. Alright, see you later.